If you struggle with staying organized or managing tasks, this video is for you. Today, I'll guide you through using Notion from beginner to advanced. By the end, you'll know how to organize tasks and plan your days using one free tool. Let's dive right in. Notion is an all-in-one productivity tool. It combines notes, to-do lists, planners, and databases into one platform. You can use Notion for personal planning, work tasks, studying, and more. It works on all devices and syncs automatically. To get started, go to notion.so. Click Sign Up. Use Google or your email. Choose Personal Use. The free version is perfect for beginners. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Notion workspace. Now, let's understand the Notion interface. The sidebar holds all your pages. The workspace is where you build them. The top bar contains page options. Remember the / command. It's crucial in Notion. Everything in Notion is a block. Text, images, and to-do lists, they're all blocks. Next, let's cover basic blocks. You'll need to know text, headings, bulleted, numbered, and to-do lists. Use the / command to create any block. Toggles are great. They keep your page clean by hiding information. Ready for your first to-do list? Create a new page. Name it My Tasks, add a to-do list, and write daily tasks. You can check off completed tasks or reorder them with headings. Notion helps you see what matters today. Now, let's explore databases. A database is like a smart table. Create a table database with properties like task name, status, date, and priority. Think of it as a smarter to-do list. Now let's create daily and weekly planners. Include time blocking for tasks. Planning reduces stress and helps avoid overwhelm. Productivity is about doing what matters. Next, consider using Notion for notes and studying. It's perfect for class notes, meeting notes, or study materials. Use headings, highlights, callouts, and embeds to enhance your notes. Let's address common mistakes. Avoid making Notion too complex. Don't copy advanced templates too early, and remember to review tasks regularly. Start simple. Improvement can come later. Templates in Notion are useful. They allow you to duplicate existing structures for your needs. Use them wisely, but avoid relying on them too much. Now, let's build a productivity system. Start with an inbox to capture tasks and organize them into tasks, projects, and notes. Follow the workflow. Capture, organize, do, review. Next, consider Notion on mobile versus desktop. Use desktop for building and mobile for quick checks and edits. Who should use Notion? Students, freelancers, content creators, business owners, and anyone seeking clarity can benefit. In closing, Notion is powerful if used consistently. Start small, build gradually, and focus on clarity over perfection. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe.